Hello everybody, welcome to another show, the closing bell for week ending 12th of April 2013. Thank you for your participation and thank you for your patience. Today I'm a bit late as of yesterday. I was busy preparing for Master the Market main course preview that we'll be doing April 20, 21st, 22nd. This is the course that we recommend to all our premium members and all our clientele to come and see how you can benefit from making money and really understanding smart money and how they buy in, and really how I use this tools that we provide in the VSA to somehow get the stocks that we normally get in our closing bell every week, where we have our 2 stocks plus 1 Singapore stock, which in the last 1 or 2 months has done very, very well. Okay, let's going back to a market, what we've seen so far. Review back last week, as I was saying, looking at my notes here. At that time, we were here. Let me just blow this up for you. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if I refresh that. Does it helps with this thing? Yes, it does. But you can see this line in here. It still has to clear the cage and refresh this. Hopefully it helps. No, it doesn't. So you can see Friday, and this was last Friday, which is the 5th of April. At that point, I was saying that upside is quite limited because we have this sort of like unconfirmed upthrust. Now, remember, whenever you have an upthrust, you must make sure it confirms. Typically, to confirm is the breakdown of the low of this bar in here. But it does break down. Sometimes it may just hold back. It won't break down totally and retest the side. So that hasn't been that. So we have seen that any sell-off that would be bought up by foreign funds as we did. So since last Friday, there was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which is yesterday, we saw the breakout to the new high. And like it or not, at any new high, people tend to be very, very negative. As a matter of fact, I just got a call from one of my clients. He's getting all the short signal from their clients to ready to go short for their futures account. Okay, so that's one way of looking at it. Actually, to be frank with you, on that day, if the market were to open, I'll be ready to go long. I wouldn't want to short at that moment. I can tell you that when you will gap down 50 point, 100 point, whatever the case is, it is. But if you look at the market for what it is, you tell me, is the market going lower? Perhaps, perhaps the market may go lower, but as of now, I don't see it yet. Perhaps if you been to my talk last Saturday, the April 6th, I did talk about how much the market will fall. And if you want more detail, go to my February stock market comment where I talk in length about this. That's to get you at the right step. Okay, having said that, currently market is still going through a sell-off in here, which is expected. I want the market to self-correct as it is, because we've been having a nice run for a long time. So generally a correction is normal in here, and like or not, even if it does correct back to 1690, two scenario that will form will be a double top. Now, what's very important, I think most of you who came to our course, you will see that we do have a support now at 1695 to 1700, 1695 to 7. Now remember, the market cannot go up in a straight line. It has to pull back. And also we did see regional market later on. The market would pull back at that time. So we're seeing that now. Okay, now going back to FVM70. Now very important, if you see this finally broke through. What people don't see is the FVM70. The FVM70 is the market breadth or the rest of the KLSC. If the KLSCI FVM represent the 30 highly capitalized stocks, the FVM70 is this one here. Now you notice, compared to these two that you see in the screen in here, the FKLI 30 just broke away to a new high only yesterday, Thursday, only yesterday. But ladies and gentlemen, you could see this one actually broke on March 27. March 27, we could see this market already gone higher, and that's why we have a correction in here, which is normal. I do see that, but at this junction, market may move sideways, and I would think that is likely to turn soon. Moving sideways, let me just make a note here, perhaps with intermittent profit taking. Okay. Okay, which is normal. So if you see that FKLI 30 here has to play catch up, just like the rest of the region in here. Last week, the FKLI at the 5th of April was doing 1688, and today we're at 1698. So it did break all above. Partly this is due to the futures. Now, a lot of people, if you've been trading futures, they tend to buy at new high. So what they do, they put their buy stops. Okay, they put it around 1750, 17, which is over here. So they're all taken up high. Okay, so they take up high. They are generally, trying to go long. However, the smart money, the insider, they know, right? They want to wash them first. So that's why you got the 2-bar reversal in here. Again, the trend is still up in here. Unless I see it breaking below 1690, then I would deem the trend to be low. That's just how to look at the market in here. Okay, that's about that. Okay, let's move on to the next thing, which is the foreign funds. Very important. You could see, yes, foreign funds have flattened off. Very important. That's no surprise. You could see the 5-day accumulation. Let me just bring it up a bit. Okay, 5-day accumulation. You could even see this is the 5-day accumulation. This has sort of like a rolling mushroom, a rolling mushroom in here. However, yesterday we did. Sorry for that. Again, we have about 192 million of buying. That seems to put up on the upside. Again, on the VSA chart for the KLSCI, you could see a green arrow in here, which is actually pointing up on the upside. Yes, foreign funds have flattened off a bit, but which is normal. You can't get them to go up and up all the time. Okay, just click that one again, get that out of the way.